this tutorial, I will show you how to fix. You have reached your monthly limit of new chat messages on WhatsApp in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. From your home screen, press and hold on WhatsApp, then click on this eye icon. Now scroll down and click on storage and cache. Here click on clear cache. Check have your problem been solved or not. If it's not, then open WhatsApp and click on these three dots. Then click on settings. Here scroll down and click on help and feedback. Then click on send feedback. Then click on continue. Now here describe your issue. You can simply type hello my account. Then type your phone number is showing error. You have reached your monthly limit of new chat messages. This appears to be a technical mistake as I am using the official app. Please review my account and restore my ability to send messages. Thank you. Here you can add screenshot recording the issue you are facing. Then click on send and then click on done. WhatsApp team will fix your issue. So that's how you can fix. You have reached your monthly limit of new chat messages in just few easy steps.